You are going to love the 2016 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. Your new ride is just a phone call away.